G'day, V-Dubbed here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we basically finishing off with the combi. So we're going to be moving across to carry on work on the Baja. So yeah, really, I'm just going to do a bit of a walkthrough of what we've done to date and the plan for the future and what you can expect to see, and just show you some of the goodies that we've got that need to go on, things like tires, etc. So we're going to move back to videos on the Baja and just a bit of a recap on what we've done. So we put the rubbers in. You can see we painted it green, black around the back. Over there are the tires that I've bought that we're going to put on the rims. Around the back here we've got a older motor and the chrome motor that we need to install. We still need to do some work there. Looking inside of the dash, we need to do all the electrics. We're going to need to put the windscreen back in, and I've taken away all the buttons, so I'm going to have to make holes. So the plan is to make the holes down there where the cigarette lighter ashtray used to be, and quite a bit of work there. I've got to make panels for the doors and for the back of the car. We need to get new seats. So once again, just coming around the front. I need to get the holders for the lights. You can see that in my combi video. Once you put the bigger tires on, we'll need to put the side window in. Looking at the floor that we did with the coating. Once again, just to the dash, the door on that side. We need to clean all this up, whether we repaint it like it was before or find black material. Just need to do that. Just another look at the motor. I do have the dual carbs down there, which we can use. There are the seat belts. So again, quite a lot of work to do to get it back on the road. It is registered, so as far as when we finish we can get out on the road. So I've kept up the payments, so it is on the road at the moment. So I think the plan of attack is probably going to be to start at the front and work towards the back. So if I just open that, at the moment it's just getting hooked on there, but you can see in here there's the fuse box, that's the speedo. You can see all the cables and switches are all just out. Pipe for the fuel tank, fuel tank's missing. This is the windscreen wipers. So there's still quite a lot of work to do, and as I said, we'll probably start at the front and work our way to the back and get it done. So if we look over here, here's the rear bumper. That's just the old spare wheel. But these are the rear lights and the indicators, which have already been painted, so I'm going to repaint them. The windscreen wipers and the front handle. So these are all items that we'll paint. On this side, these are the front tires, which aren't as big, but have got nice knobblies. And there are the seats, the windows, and just some of the parts that we took off that will need to go back on. So there's quite a bit of work. Here are just the window frames. Those are the covers for the doors. Back seats, not bad condition as they stand. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in or actually put buckets in instead, but the original seats actually aren't in bad condition. These are the vent windows that'll need to go back in. Looks like a bit of a mess, but once we get going and start fitting the parts, it'll clean up pretty quick. So a lot of work to do, so stay with us and we'll get through it and get the Baja on the road and driving. So quite excited about that, but as I said, quite a bit of work, and but we'll get there. Alright, thanks so much for watching, take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe and leave me any comments.